हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू कीमिया क्लासेस। हम लोग इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं करंट अफेयर 2023 के बारे में, जिसमें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे बुक्स एंड अथर्स के बारे में, कप्स एंड ट्रॉफीज़ के बारे में, इंडियन पॉलिटी एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में, इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट के बारे में एंड करंट अपॉइंटमेंट के बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं बुक एंड अथर से। मुंडका उपनिषद written by Dr. Karan Singh. Raw Amber, a memoir written by Sarah Roy, granddaughter of Munshi Premchand. Basu Chatterjee and Middle of the Road Cinema written by Aniruddha Bhattacharjee. Rahul Bajaj, an extraordinary life official biography of the chairman of Bajaj Group, written by Geeta Piramal. Temple Lamp Verses on Banaras, written by Mirza Asadullah Beg Khan. English translation of Mirza Ghalib's Manashnavi Sirage Dair. अब बात करते हैं हम लोग कप्स एंड ट्रॉफीज़ के बारे में। रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया विंस ईरानी कप 2023। इंडिया विंस बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी 2-1 against Australia seal spot in World Test Championship final. Mumbai Indians wins inaugural Women's Premier League. Next, Australia wins ODI series 2-1 against host India. Gianni Infantino re-elected FIFA president. Karnataka wins Santosh Trophy 2022 to 2023. Round Glass Punjab FC wins I-League 2022 to 2023 title. BNP Paribas Open 2023. Carlos Alcaraz and Rebecca win singles title. Swiss Open Badminton Championship 2023. India duo Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty wins men's double crown. Max Verstappen wins Bahrain Grand Prix 2023. Sergio Perez wins Saudi Arabian Grand Prix 2023. Craig Fulton appointed as head coach of Indian men's hockey team. Next, March 20, people celebrate World Sparrow Day. The theme of World Water Day 22 March 2023 is accelerating the change to solve the water and sanitation crisis. अब हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं इंडियन पॉलिटी एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में। द वीटो पावर ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट इन इंडिया इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द एब्सोल्यूट एंड सस्पेंसिव एंड द पॉकेट वीटोज. Which type of voting is held in a state assembly to elect the members of Rajya Sabha? Open voting. The anti-defection law is placed in 10th schedule. Who have been placed on 5th rank on the table of rank and precedence of the person in India, former presidents of India. The feature of judicial review has been inspired in the Indian Constitution from the Constitution of USA. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with Part 15? Who presides over the first sitting on the newly elected Lok Sabha Speaker pro tem. The 91 Amendment Act 2003 set the total numbers of ministers, including the PM, in the Central Council of Ministers up to 15% the total strength of the Lok Sabha, which considered as the channel of communication between the President and the Council of Ministers in India, the Prime Minister of India. Official language enshrined in the part of 17 of the Indian Constitution is from Article 343 to 351. अब हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट के बारे में. विच इंडियन लीडर रोड द बुक इंडियन नेशनल एवोल्यूशन? अंबिका चरण मजूमदार. हु इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ बुक इंडिया डिवाइडेड? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. The British government's plan to arrest Mahatma Gandhi and other major Congress leaders before the Quit India movement was known as Operation Zero Hour. Who started a monthly journal, The Indian Sociologist, to spread his revolutionary ideas among Indians? Shyamji Krishna Verma. Who was the author of History of British India? James Mill. Which Indian leader was popularly known as Andhra Kesari? T. Prakasam. Which Indian leader described the plight of Indians under cruel British rule in India in his book The Economic History and Feminists in India? R.C. Dutt. Rabindranath Tagore called as Indian leader as Desh Nayak. The name of that leader is Subhash Chandra Bose. Under which act were the Muslims given separate electorate in British India? Minto Marley Reforms 1909. Gandhiji promised Swaraj within a year if his program was adopted during the non-cooperation movement. Who was the only Jain Gandhara who survived Lord Mahavira and became the head of Jainism after him? Sudharman. Lothal, a famous port in Indus Valley civilization, is located in Gujarat. In the Sangam age, tiger was the royal emblem of the Chola rulers. Who was the founder of the Bahmani kingdoms in South India? Hasan Gango. Astadiggaz is the collective name given to the 8 Telugu poets in the court of King Krishnadev Rai. The Tulua and the Aravidu dynasties are associated with the Vijayanagar Empire. The last dynasty of Delhi Sultanate was Lodi Sultanate. The Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle brought an end to the First Anglo-French War in India. Which Deccan Sultanate lost Goa to Portuguese commander Albuquerque Bijapur? Which spiritual figure of Maharashtra founded the Warkari sect? संत नामदेव. अब बात करते हैं नेशनल अपॉइंटमेंट्स के बारे में. Who assumed the charges? The 28th Controller General of Accounts CGA S.S. Dubey. Which state became the first one to pass right to health bill in its assembly? Rajasthan. Who has been appointed the new CEO of Niti Aayog? B.R. Subramaniam. Who has been appointed as the National Ambassador of the UNICEF India? Ayushman Khurrana. What was the theme of 7th Asia Economic Dialogue AED, Asia of the Emerging World Order? What is India's rank on the International Intellectual Property Index released this year? 42nd rank of the India. Okay, thank you.